Yes, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Welcome for our Oracle Fusion Cloud demo. Myself, this is Chandra. Let me introduce myself. This is Chandra from RTL Online Trainings. So RTL Online Trainings is one of the best training institution for Oracle technologies, mainly in Oracle Cloud, especially the latest one, artificial intelligence, as well as the Redwood areas we are going to work here. Mainly we are working in these areas. Okay. So I take care of the complete training and placement part from the RTL online trainings and placements over here. So that we are doing it from here. Okay. So we welcome everyone for our demo sessions. We are going to have three demo sessions today, Monday 18th, tomorrow 19th, and 20. Three demo sessions we are going to have. And after these three demo sessions, we will start with the regular classes. In these three demo sessions, I'm going to explain about Oracle Fusion Cloud. So why it is so important nowadays, and why RTL is always ahead compared to other institutions, either in the training point of view as well as in the placement point of view, and how we are going to give the 100% placement option from RTL. So these all things we are going to discuss. I request everyone, please attend for all the three demo sessions to make sure that you are clear with about RTL, especially in the current scenario about the current job market and all here it is. Okay. Yeah. So we are going to have three demo sessions. Every demo, it starts at 7 p.m. IST and ends with 8:15, 1 hour 15 minutes, maybe more, 5 minutes, but minimum 1 hour 15 minutes. That will be the classes. And classes also Monday to Friday that we are going to have. We'll be discussing complete end to end, and then syllabus, training part, placement part, how we are different, how RTL is different compared to other our competitors. That also we are going to talk about it. Okay. So before we start with Oracle Fusion Cloud, I just wanted to start with very basic things in the initial 10-15 minutes, because there might be some people who are not aware of much cloud environment. Even if they are aware of the cloud, they may not be clear how much compatibility for the cloud in the ERP sector. So that's what we are going to discuss. Okay, so 10-15 minutes, we will go with very basics. What is cloud and how it's going to work. Then I'll come up with the application point of view. Okay, so just 1 minute. Let me take it as full screen. I request everyone, please subscribe to my channel, RTL Online Trainings. We have more than 40,000 subscribers exclusively for Oracle Cloud Technologies, not for any other technologies here. And whatever the demos we are going to discuss, it will be recorded and it will be uploaded in this channel. You can directly listen next level if you required multiple times. Yeah. Okay. So here we are going to start with basically what is cloud? Why the clients are looking for cloud environment nowadays? Okay. Well, why this cloud is required? Yeah. Purushottam Naidu. Yeah. Please keep it on mute. Okay, so cloud is nothing but virtual server. Cloud is nothing but a virtual server. So if any client is doing some business, obviously the clients might be doing any business. They may be in the automobile sector. For example, I'll take a small client who is Sony Corporation, electronic goods. They have business in India, US, and UK, three countries. Let's say in India they have 40 branches, US around 50 branches. In UK, they have around 10 branches. Total 100 branches they have across the world. 100 branches they have. Let's say every branch there are around 50 employees or 100 employees. It comes around 20,000 employees, for example. 20,000 employees. All these employees every day, they all are Sony company employees, right? Clerks, cashiers. Okay, they all are Sony company employees. There are cashiers, there are clerks, there are recruiters, there are salespeople, sales executives, there are managers, there are supervisors. Okay, there are some testers. There are from production department, transport department, admin department, service department. A lot of people are there out of this. All these people every day they'll come to office in the morning 9 o'clock and they leave at 6 o'clock. Whatever the transaction, whatever the work they do, they'll go for enter in the system. That's what actually the digitalization. Without entering the information in the system, no company is running the company. No company is going to run their business. They are not going to do any business without entering. You go to any company, there is some product which has got damaged. They are throwing it out. They'll enter in the system and save it. This is the item has got damaged, this much of quantity, and we are going to throw it out. Actual cost of this product is this, and that will be calculated in the costing. End of the year, how much expenditure we got for damages and all. Right. Like that, every business, finance, sales, HR, employees, employee benefits, employee talent, everything will be entered in the system. It's what completely digitalization. Especially last 7, 8 years, it's more. The client is not interested to lose any data because they want to take the business decisions. They want to change the business policies or rules. They want to take some business decisions purely depends on the data. They don't want to depend on someone else's opinion. It's purely based on the data, purely database. They wanted to take a decisions. That's what actually the requirement. So earlier, what clients used to do is they used to maintain their own server. We call it as on-premise servers. On-premise servers. So clients used to maintain their own servers. They used to have separate server room, or they used to have DBAs, administrators, networks people, and then IT team, IT support team, IT development team, integration team, like that entire team they used to take care. It's some complete separate department. So when the data is vast, when the data is vast, and it's very difficult nowadays for the clients to maintain all this information in the single software or multiple softwares. It is very difficult, and it's going to be expensive also. It's going to be expensive also. So what clients are expecting is if someone take care of this entire server, if someone take care of this complete server maintenance, then it will be so happy. We can concentrate on our business instead of actually Sony company business is different. What they do, they build some electronic goods and sell the goods across the world to the different customers, right? So that is actually their business. They are into manufacturing, electronic goods manufacturing, sales, service, and other things, right? So they are not into the software. So because of this, they are again maintaining the separate server, DBAs, 24 by 7, taking care, and all this. This is again headache for them. Right. So this cloud concept has came into the picture. Then the cloud companies has entered into the market saying that we take care of this entire headache. So you don't need to worry about it. We take care of the complete server maintenance. If you want to have your own software team, okay, no problem. But server, DBA, administrators, network people, security, cyber security, everything we take care. Make sure that 24 by 7 your server is always on. That's my responsibility. You don't worry about it. Then that's a big relief for the customer. Customer, that's a big relief. Definitely big relief. Because now we know that it's complete digitalization, either banking sector or any sector. If customer go to on-site, customer go to website and try to log in and perform, try to check the order status, try to check if so it is showing that its server is down or not updated, or any wrong information, then obviously the customer will get irritated, right? So now, because the people mindset also has come up with that, make sure that you are digitalized with 100%, access the information from anywhere, either from smartphone or tappies or desktop, from anywhere, like that. So what cloud companies has done is they are providing the cloud servers. They are providing the virtual servers. So virtual server is nothing but it is located in the data centers. What are the cloud companies we have? What are the cloud companies who are providing this cloud server, cloud services to the customers? Indirectly server, virtual servers. Okay. There is AWS, Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services. Next, Microsoft Azure. Next, GCP, Google Cloud Provider. Next, Oracle, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI. Then, of course, other people are there, but they are very small guys, not across the world. Top four companies are this AWS. When AWS is introduced this in 2006, about Azure 2006. Google also almost same time, 2005 or 6. Oracle entered into the market in 2015, after 10 years. They entered into the market. But these three people have started the cloud to maintain their applications first, to maintain their data. First, they started. Then they adapted this cloud technology to the customers. Initially, customers got a doubt. If I keep my data with your server, for example, one Microsoft salesperson comes to your manager saying that you are running the business, right? You are maintaining all your data in servers, and it's we take care of these servers. Why don't you keep all your data in our servers? Definitely, manager will get wondered how I can keep my data in your servers, how my employees will connect to your servers, right? These all doubts will come. It's very simple. See, 20,000 employees are every day coming to the office, right? How they are connecting to this server? Through internet or through intranet. Means either through IP address or through website. Through internet or intranet. Okay. Same way. Your server is here and all the 20,000 employees every day they'll come and they'll connect to the Wi-Fi or whatever the security channel you have, the IP address or whatever it is, through that VPN, virtual private network, they will connect to the server. Same way, even if they have the servers across the world in any country, so your employees will go for connect to their servers and start working. So what these companies are telling is, if you want to maintain your server, first, you have to buy a server. Then you need to have a team 24 by 7 who will take care of that. DBA team, admin team, network team, and cyber security team. All these team members you have to manage. But still your attention is there. You are putting a lot of investment over there. Still at the same time you are getting tense. At the same time you are getting tense. Why don't you shift this all tension and everything to us? We will take care of course, we will charge. We don't do free of cost. We'll charge it, but we are ready to take because that's what is our job is. That's what actually the day to day we are doing it. We are doing for hundred thousands of customers across the world. Why don't you come to our cloud? So your entire server you can shut down and start using our servers. We have established servers in the data centers. What is mean by data center? Data center is having the virtual servers which are high-end servers with cloud computing technology, single cloud, multi-cloud, one node, multiple nodes. That is a different terminology, different technology. Cloud computing is completely different technology. Okay. So if client says that these are the softwares I am using, this much of data traffic will be there every day, this much of storage I required, this is what my usage daily, either uploading or downloading. So if they come up with that, then this company will suggest one best server on rental basis. It's as simple as instead of buying the server, you are going to take one server which is already available in the data center, that you are going to take it on rental based every month or every year and all like. It's as simple as we are part of cloud. Everybody is using part of cloud. For example, youtube.com is there. I'm able to watch the content here. Is this content is stored in my laptop? No. Is this content is available in my Local servers? No. Where it is there? I don't know. It is there in YouTube servers. I know that YouTube company, maybe Google or whoever is the backend. So they have the servers. I don't know where their server is there located. Maybe in US or Europe or in India. I don't know. In that servers, the content is there. I'm able to access it. I'm able to access through internet. I'm able to access the videos and other things. Same thing, any software application, you can put it in the cloud environment and start using that application. You can take it yearly amount, agreement amount, whatever you wanted to pay, or some client says that whatever the usage I'm using, that according to that I'll go for make the payment. So it depends based on the usage also they can. So this proposals came in 2010, 12, 13, that time itself around 12, 13 years. Initially, clients was not that much interested because of the security and a lot of other possibilities and not possibilities and all. But 2017, 18 onwards, due to Corona or due to any reason, not only the Corona, but because of digitalization and other things, every client has started believing the cloud. Okay, no problem. Instead of maintaining my server, why don't I use this complete their data centers? In the data centers, we have the servers, high-end servers. We will take it on rental based. We call it as a tenant. So rental basis, we are going to use that. It is very less expense. It's a cheap rate compared to maintaining. If you are going to maintain your own server, your own team, everything, if it is going to take $100, then the server here who will take this companies is just $15. 85% of amount you can save. But companies don't care when the security comes into the picture, they don't care about money because application data software is the heart of the business. If they lose something there, then they have to close the entire company, right? So it's not only the cost cutting, the major thing. So this is one of the major, of course, but some client can can tell you, I don't bother about the costing part. I have no issues to invest the money because security is my primary concern. Okay. So when then it comes to that, it's not only the rentals, there are some tools and products are available in this cloud, means in these data centers. So what Oracle is telling, if you come to my cloud, you can use following tools and products. Some of the things are free, some of the things are subscription based, you have to pay the amount. Those all our tools are excellent. You can't download, you can't keep it in your server because I'm not providing outside. I don't give that access outside. You should come to Oracle Cloud as a customer, and inside of that, there are tools and products. Okay. So that tools and products, you can go for make the payments here. You can go for make the payments over here it is. Okay. So that's what we are going to have here it is. It's clear. So there are excellent tools and products here. There are excellent tools and products here. 1 minute. Yeah, I'm sorry. Someone was waiting actually. They are facing some issues for joining. It's okay. Now clear. So here for the customers, there are two things. One, instead of maintaining their own server and everything, so they can start using the Oracle servers or Google servers or Microsoft Azure servers and all, so that they can save maximum amount and also they will be free. So no need to worry about the server. So these companies will take care of that server. Okay, and there are good tools and products in that cloud environment. So you can easily use the tools and products and start working on that and start working on that. That's a major advantage. Cloud tools and products. Nowadays, every client is going to develop any tool or product which are cloud based only. Very rare case, on premises. Maximum, you take any top companies, top 10 companies, whoever is developing the tools and products, all are cloud based because if the product is cloud based, very less price they can sell to customers. Maintenance will be easy. If they bring some new features, they can easily update in the tool or product across the world. At a time, it will be updated. So no need to worry about. Otherwise, what happened? Customer will say, "I purchased one tool from your company 2 years back. Still, I'm using it. I'm facing some problem. Can you resolve that?" But by that time, you already crossed 4 versions. You are in the latest version, but customer is on using the old version. Again, you have to maintain separate support team who will take care of that old versions also. So that's the reason the companies nowadays are very smart. Please come to cloud. Start using the tool or product. No problem. So always it is update. Always latest tool. Your customer means you are always using the latest version. No chance that even if you say, I want to use the old version 2024. No, it's not there. Already I updated. You have to use the latest version always. It's as simple as you are using mobile. Sometimes Android or iOS operating system will get some new features. It will keep on give the notification for 1 month. New update is there. Please update. One fine day, if you don't respond immediately, it will automatically update and go for restart. That's done. It won't disturb any of your current data or any other things. Sometime, finally, one day it will go for do that things. The same thing is happening in the software industry. So client doesn't have any other option. They don't have any option. They must come to the cloud. So far, only 20 to 25% has been migrated to the cloud. 75% of the people still they are in process. Obviously, they have to migrate. No option. Why no option is there? Why they don't have option is I can tell you the current artificial intelligence. This artificial intelligence you cannot apply for the your own servers. You cannot use the complete taste of AI in your software. Okay, I'll talk about this in detail AI end of this session. Don't worry, it will take 10 to 15 minutes. What exactly AI will do and where it will be reflected and what exactly we have to learn and what type of jobs will come. That I'll give you the brief discussion end of the session. Okay, now I'm not going for in depth of that. But what we are talking is if any customer says that I'm already having my own server and I have my software in my server, my DBA team is there, my admin team is there, my network team is there, my security team is there, and my software team is there. I'm happy with that. Okay, fine, no problem. But I have excellent tool, which is analytics tool. If you want to use this tool, you should come to the cloud. Client is interested. Yes, this tool is going to give the complete information about my business. It is giving an excellent predictions. It will be very useful. No, but the company is not giving the tool outside. That what company is telling, you should come to Oracle Cloud. Then only you can start using the tool product. Not only Oracle, all the cloud-based companies are developing the tools and products which are completely cloud-based. So end of the day, their agenda is customer should come to our data centers and take our servers on the rental basis and start using the tools and products. Tools and products. So that's where the things comes into the picture. Now only 20 to 25% of the people has moved to the cloud. Remaining all the people should move. There is no option for the customers. Otherwise, they have to use as it is old versions, old tools, old products, old features. They'll not be in a position to up to date. They'll not be able. For example, you are going for any bank account, you are trying to open the bank account. They'll say that customer is asking, how can I do the online transaction? You should go to the website and do it. Don't you have mobile app? No, we don't have. Then obviously you will think any other bank is there who are ready to provide mobile app. Yeah, another bank is there. They are providing mobile app. Fine. I'll ask them. In mobile app, I wanted to use scanning option also. Not only the just money transactions or any other search. I want to use the scan option also. You don't have? No, I don't have. Some other bank is providing online, mobile banking, scanning also. Then I'll ship to that bank. Next, some other customer will, you can do online, mobile app, scanning, and also you can do trading. You can also you'll get the notifications about any pre-approved loans or something. Like this, your customers will try to adopt the latest technology and they'll go for bring it. This is very common in the business. It's required for everybody. I just took the example of this particular banking sector. Any sector, adoptions are mandatory. Adaptions are mandatory. Otherwise, our competitor will adapt. If it is a good feature, our competitor will invest the money and they'll go for adopt that and try to get into that. Then definitely our business will get impact little bit. Enough. That's enough. Our competitor again came to the picture, right? So that's why the people are moving to the cloud environment nowadays. So this is about what is cloud, what are the different cloud companies we have, and what these cloud companies are doing is they have established data centers across the world. Across the world. For example, if we talk about AWS, I think they have around 47 data centers across the world. Azure, I think 42. Oracle has come up with the 39, I think. But what Oracle said recently, we will go ahead with around 150 going forward, around 39. Google, okay, they have around 37 or 38 something. So why number of data centers are required is, for example, your client is located in Singapore. Okay, our salesperson will go to Singapore saying that uh, we have opened a data center in Mumbai. We are running the data center. We are cloud based company. Why don't you use our cloud, means our servers on rental basis? You can move all your IT infrastructure completely to our servers and start using. Okay, customer is interested. Then customer will ask the question, where your servers are located? I'll tell them that our company has got data center in India, in Mumbai, and in that data center only we have the complete cloud computing servers and everything. I'm a, I'm doing business in Singapore. My company is Singapore-based company. If I'm going to keep my data in India, if something happens in my server, maybe data breaching or data loss or due to any reason, security, legally, if I want to fight, I need to come to India because your company is there in India. I'm using your services. As per Indian law, your company will follow, right? Obviously, if I wanted to fight with your company legally, then I need to come to India. So that is an big problem. So I'm not interested. If your data center is there in Singapore, yes, I'm interested because the data is there in my country only, but it's not there in my office. Earlier, my office is there. There was a server room, there was a server, there was DBA team. Everybody was there in that branch, head office or somewhere. That's fine. But instead of that, it is there somewhere in your data center. But it is in my country. That's not a problem. So that's why the customers are expecting the data center should exist in our region or in our country. That's what their expectation. So definitely, whoever is doing the cloud business, they should establish data center each and every country. That's obviously expected. That's why the companies have started establishing the data centers across the world. Even in Sri Lanka, they have established data centers. We know that what is the financial status of Sri Lanka country. 1.5 year back we have seen, right? Still, there are some clients. They are obviously expecting if your data center is there in Sri Lanka, Colombo, then we are ready to use your servers. Fine, no problem. We'll open one data center. We'll maintain the technology. We'll maintain the servers. We'll maintain team, cloud team, everything, and we'll provide tools and products, everything, services from there. So that's how the data centers will be established. Okay. So this is happening from all these four companies, top level four companies, whatever we have. Yeah. So this is about the cloud companies and data center, the story behind this. Any doubts here, please, so far? So far, any doubts?
Which tools and products are available in Oracle Cloud?
Sorry?
Which tools and products are available in Oracle?
Yeah, that's we are going to discuss in next topic. Next topic we are going to discuss.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So here, obviously, when client says that, yes, I am interested to use your servers. For example, client is interested to use Oracle servers, Oracle Cloud. Then we will see what are the different tools and products are available in Oracle Cloud. What are the different tools and products we have in Oracle Cloud? Obviously, we have Oracle Database 23AI, one of the first database which will support for artificial intelligence in the current IT market. No other database is going to support for complete AI. The first database which will support Oracle 23A latest version. Then Oracle Fusion Applications ERP software. Then NetSuite ERP software. NetSuite ERP software. Oracle Analytics Cloud. Oracle Data Intelligence ODI tool. It's one of the tool. OACS Oracle Integration Cloud Services. Then VBCS Visual Builder Cloud Services. Page designing. Purpose is page design. That's VBCS Visual Builder Cloud Services. DBCS Database Cloud Services to maintain the database. And we have Redwood. And then we have AI agents. Then we have OBI, Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition, OBI. And then we have BI reporting part. Then we have OTBI analysis and dashboards. We have Oracle Apex. That's again page development, mobile app development. So these are the different tools and products are available. Other than this, if client says that, no, I am not interested with your tools because I am already having my own tools. I'm using some PHP, MySQL. I am already using Pega tool. I'm already using some Power BI for reporting purpose. And I also developed some custom applications to maintain my data. No problem. If you are not interested my tools, no problem, don't worry. You can directly come to my cloud, buy the server. In that server, you can install all your softwares and start working and start using. It doesn't mean that you should use my tools and products. If you are interested, if you are interested regarding the tools and products, yes, go ahead for the subscription and start using this. That's what actually we have the options in the cloud environment. We have the options in the cloud environment. Yeah. Okay. So these are the different tools and products which we have. Out of this, which tool we are going to learn now? Oracle Fusion Applications ERP software. This is what we are. Now we'll discuss what is ERP software. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise means your client. Resource means their customers, their suppliers, their employees, their business infrastructure, assets, and their machineries. All these things comes under the resource. We have to use that resource in a proper plan. Then only we'll get a best results, right? To maintain that resource information in proper plan, we use this ERP software. We use this ERP software, enterprise software. Yes. This is mandatory for every customer. Every customer, any domain, ERP software is mandate. And ERP is mandatory, and without ERP, you cannot run the business. Even if your business is in the loss also, finally, you have to use the ERP software. Some of the softwares clients may not be interested to continue if their business is not on the way. But even if your business is down, still you have to use the ERP software. You closed ERP software means your company is closed indirectly. Your company is closed. So that's what I can say. ERP is mandatory for every client. That is the basic thing required for every client, maybe small or mid or large sector. For anybody, it is mandatory. It is mandate. What are the different ERP softwares are available in the market? If any client decided, okay, I want to use the ERP software, what are the different ERPs are there? SAP is there, Oracle EBS. I'll write it down in the next line. ERPs, different ERP applications which are available in the market. Oracle EBS, we call it as Oracle applications, e-business suite, e-business suite. PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, Salesforce, Workday, Oracle Fusion applications, Microsoft Dynamics. These are the different ERPs are available. If any client wants to buy. Out of this, these three companies are merged with Oracle. So Oracle is having already one ERP, EBS, since 1997. Even SAP also, it was there from 1994 and acquired. Oracle acquired all these three companies in 2005. In 2005, Oracle acquired here. This is 1994, 1997. No more PeopleSoft, no more JD Edwards, and no more Siebel. All these customers are migrated from their ERP application to already Oracle. So there might be some old customers. Oracle is providing the support for them. Obviously, you have to give the support. There will be agreements, right? 5 years support, 10 years support. So if client says that I want to use PeopleSoft only, I have agreement for 10 years, definitely. Even if you acquire, Oracle company is acquiring the PeopleSoft, then Oracle should provide the support for them. But they will not go for expand. They will not go for expand that next level. They won't provide any new features. They won't take care much about that. Then definitely they'll try to come to the latest. Salesforce is one of the cloud ERP. Workday also is one of the cloud ERP. Fusion Applications is the current one. Fusion Applications is the current one, latest. Microsoft Dynamics is one of the ERP, latest one of the ERP here it is. Okay, so these are the different ERPs are there, but main competitor is always SAP. Sales, generally ERP means there will be a four sector: finance, supply chain management, human capital management, CRM. Okay, so any company, if they want to maintain their accounts, if they want to maintain their supply data, HR data, CRM data, they'll be using the ERP software. Salesforce is good in CRM. They are good in CRM. Workday is okay in HCM. Fusion Applications is good in finance. HCM excellent. Supply chain. But CRM number one is always Salesforce. No doubt. Nobody can compete with Salesforce. Dynamics is okay. Dynamics is actually not that much, aggressive compared to other ERP leaders. SAP is good in supply chain. They are good in supply chain. They are good in supply chain. And Oracle EBS is the old ERP. Now the latest one is Oracle Fusion Applications here. So these are the different market leaders are available. Now here you may get some doubt. Oracle is there already in the ERP market since 1997, Oracle EBS. And after that, they acquired three ERP products also. It means total four ERP products they are selling. Then why they developed the new ERP software Fusion applications again? Because already you have four ERP softwares. Then why you developed this Fusion applications in 2015? In 2015, why you developed this again?
EBS is on-premises and Fusion applications are cloud-based, it seems.
Yes, yes. So most of the clients, what happen here nowadays, the clients are looking for, if any product, if you say, I would like to go with my product, if any salesperson says that our company has developed one ERP application, the first question what customer is asking is is your ERP software is having cloud-based ERP or not? Is it having analytics feature or not? Is it having mobility? Mobility means I want to access my product from smartphone, tab piece, as well as the desktop. Any device, your product should be compatible. That's what we call it as a mobility. Is it easy for social sites integration? Social sites integration. Is it easy? Because all these four products, four features nowadays mandatory for the customers because almost all the businesses are running all these four features. These four features you don't have in this ERPs. 100% you don't have. Maybe 10 to 20% suitable, but not 100%. Then obviously, if you want to be a leader in the ERP sector, definitely you have to develop a new application. You have to develop new application which contains the next generation features, whatever clients are expecting that we have to build. That's what Oracle applications. Oracle Fusion says that Oracle Fusion applications is one of the ERP software. Okay. And it has got Oracle Fusion Finance, Oracle Fusion Supply Chain, Oracle Fusion HCM, CRM, like that. So any ERP, definitely these four domains we will find. Oracle Fusion applications. There will be a finance, there will be a HCM, there will be a supply chain, there will be a CRM. Lot of other also we have, but those all are not important, majorly four sector. If you talk about SAP, SAP also is one of the ERP product. They have SAP FICO, nothing but finance. SAP is sales and distribution, nothing but SCM. And they have the HR, nothing but human capital management. Like that, we can see that different options here, different options we are going to have it. That's how it will work. So when you take a ERP software, definitely that we are going to have all these features. That we are going to have all these features. Yeah. So it's clear everybody what are the different tools and products are available in Oracle Cloud and which tool or which product we are discussing now, Oracle Fusion Applications. It is one of the ERP software. It is one of the ERP software. What are the different ERPs are available? What is mean by ERP application? So what are different domains? Who are the competitors in the market for Oracle? Obviously SAP. SAP is the competitor. But now SAP is not in the cloud race. SAP does not have their own cloud option. They don't have their own cloud option. SAP does not have their own cloud. So, for example, client says that I am interested about your servers. I I want to use your ERP, fine. But I'm also want to use my own applications. I also want to use my own applications. I'll shut down my servers. On premises completely I'll shut down. Whatever the softwares I have, I will shift from here and lift into your servers. and also I will use your tools and products. That is a proposal from the client. Oracle says, okay, no problem. But SAP cannot say that. SAP will say, only my ERP software is available in the cloud. Only my ERP software is available in the cloud. So if you say you are going to get your applications also, I don't have the place because I am not a cloud-based company. SAP is not a cloud company. SAP is one of the ERP software company. But Oracle is one of the cloud company, one of the ERP company, one of the database company who is having all the tools, products, services, everything now. So there you will not find the SAP is a big competitor for our ERP application, whatever we have, Fusion applications. So going forward, Oracle will definitely lead the ERP sector with this tool, Oracle Fusion applications. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. Because of this only reason, no company except Microsoft. Microsoft has got that feature. Because Microsoft is cloud-based company, right? They says that, okay, no problem, bring all your applications to my cloud, install that, use it. If you are interested, use my tools also, no problem. Okay. But remaining people, no, they don't have that. Salesforce or Workday, they are not in the cloud business. They are in the cloud ERP business, cloud ERP tool or cloud ERP product business. Okay. That's what we can say. Okay. So in Oracle Fusion applications, now we are going to talk about HCM, Human Capital Management. We also call it as Fusion applications, HCM. Fusion ERP HCM we are trying to learn this. So finance, accounting people will learn, people who are interested to accounting side. Supply chain who are interested to the procurement, sales, manufacturing side. HR, everybody will learn human capital management. It doesn't mean that you should not learn finance. Non-accounting people also will learn finance, but it's okay. Everybody can go ahead with that. Human capital management is one of the successful module in the ERP sector. One of the successful module in the ERP sector. Okay. So that's Fusion applications heads. What are the jobs we have in Fusion applications HCM? Before we go into that, we'll see what are the different modules we have. Global HR, one of the module. Payroll module. Options management module. Talent management module. Compensation module. Oracle time and labor. Oracle recruitment cloud. Benefits module. Total 8 modules we have. Total 8 modules we have. This is August, right? Let me save it on the desktop. New folder. Okay, these are the 8 modules we have. Yes. Some clients will implement only 2 modules. Some clients will implement 4 modules. Some can't implement entire suite. It's up to the client requirement. Global HR is mainly to maintain the employees and organizations data, employees data. That's a base module, mandatory. Let's say you have 10,000 employees. End of the month, you want to run the payroll, calculate the salaries, earnings, deductions, and all. You want to distribute the salaries, pay slips, payments, everything. Payroll is required. Options means leaves management, talent, employee talent, setting the goal, setting the target, setting the performance measurements and everything. Compensation, time and labor, wars, recruitment cloud, and benefits module. These all modules are going to. Okay. So these are functional modules, complete functional modules in human capital management. So what we are trying to learn now is we are learning Oracle Cloud. In Oracle Cloud, there are number of tools. We are learning Oracle Fusion applications, ERP product. ERP product. In ERP product, again, we have four: finance, supply chain, human capital, CRM. We are learning HCM. Again, in HCM, there are 8 modules. Out of that, whatever the modules you want to learn, you can go for learn. We see there are four modules are mandatory. First four are mandatory. Every client will go for implementation. So nowadays, the client is asking, now the companies are asking other modules also. So we have to be very clear. We have to be very clear if you want to go for other modules also. So it is expected. Now the companies are expecting. Is it possible to learn those many modules? Required. When the pressure comes, everything is possible. So companies are asking, definitely we have to learn. So okay. So that's 8 modules we have in our applications. In our applications, 8 modules we have HCM applications. Okay. There is some technical part here. BI reports, OTBI analysis, and dashboards. Data loading, HDL. Data extraction, HCM extracts. Personalizations. This is technical. So this is functional. There will be 2 types of jobs we will see. One is functional consultant, another one is technical consultant. Functional consultant, another one is technical consultant. We have 2 different types we have. Functional and technical. Okay. Yeah. So far, global HR, payroll, absence, and talent management. Only these 4 modules we used to train. Only 4 modules we used to train. Their expectation also same. Okay, no problem. If you are clear with 4 modules, that's fine. We don't need other things. That's what their expectation. This 4 modules fine. This 4 modules fine. But nowadays, what happened? We have a requirement for Fusion HCM who are good in global HR, payroll, and benefits. I can't apply for this job. Not possible because I don't know benefits. I don't have basic knowledge also benefit. Let's say I got a requirement global HR, options, and time and labor. No, I am unfit for this job also. Because I know global HR, I know options, but ODL I don't know. I can't apply for this. I am expecting only 2 modules, global HR and ORC. I am very experienced in global HR, but ORC, even I don't know the basics also. I can't apply for this. So this is a problem we are facing nowadays. RTL is the first institute who has identified this issue. People are learning first 4 modules. Okay. If there is a requirement in these 4 modules, okay, no problem. You are applying for that. You are attending for the interviews, and then we are going ahead next level. But if you do not have these 4 modules, if the requirement is there in that modules, you are not eligible. Even if you are at least clear with the basics, you can go ahead. So even we were providing only 4 modules earlier and the technical part. That was actually our syllabus. Okay. So these 4 modules, that's what we call it as a full stack. We call it as a full stack. What is the meaning of human capital management full stack? Full stack is nothing but you are the number 1 in every module. Any module requirement is there, I'm ready to do it. I'm ready to learn and do it because I know the basics. I already learned the things and I can start working on that. Okay. So that facility is the first institute is RTL. You take any institution who will provide only the 4 modules, functional and the technical part. Not only our, even our institution also till 2025 February 2025 means almost 6 months back. Also, same syllabus we were also providing. But later we identified this gap. Yes, we wanted to give this 4 modules subject also to students so that the people who wanted to learn additionally advanced HCM or full stack HCM, human capital management, they can learn and start applying for the jobs. It means we are ready to give the best subject, maximum subject. Learning, practice, and getting the job is everything is in your control. If you say I will restrict to only 4 modules, no problem. That is okay. But this is what I am telling advanced. Because many people used to tell us, oh, we learned these are 4 modules, but there are sometimes they'll be asking OTL. We don't know what we have to do. Nobody is giving the training. And again, we have to join in another course. Again, we have to pay 20,000 like that. It's difficult for them when they are an employee like that. So then we decided, okay, we will go ahead with that. This course is going to be complete online. Compensation, OTL, ORC, benefits. All this we are going to provide on-demand course, nothing but Udemy course we will provide. Outside people has to pay 2,500. They have to buy this course outside. But the people who are enrolled for this batch, this is our live as it is. We are going to have 4 modules, complete functional, end-to-end implementation, setups, configurations, testing, and technical part. And this 4 modules you are going to get in Udemy. First, you go for be perfect in this area. Yes, I'm master in this area. Still, I have the capability to learn some more modules and go for apply. Then go ahead with this learn and go ahead because RTL is giving that option to you free of cost, which is worth of around 10,000 rupees for outside students. Okay. So if you are okay, it's very difficult for me to go to more than 4 modules. I can't. No problem. I'm not saying that there are no jobs for the 4 modules. Generally, 4 modules are fine. If you are applying as 4 years of experienced person, generally you get 3 to 4 modules opportunities working and you will work. Not more than that. But we know that, right? IT industry, uh, how comedy sometimes. They'll ask, even the module was introduced around 2 years back. This is we are looking for 5 years guy. And you attend for the interview. Even if you tell the basics, if nobody is there, they'll take you because nobody is there. They need a consultant who knows it. Recently, one guy has last batch who has done. They learned benefits from us and they did practice. He got selected for benefits module, of course. Okay. So that's what I'm telling you. Right. So the first institution who has introduced this entire full stack, okay, these 4 modules here. So that we will go for giving online course. As soon as you be perfect in all this area, immediately we will go for provide you and you can start working. Including that, the first institution who will provide the FAQ course for every module, Global HR FAQ, Absence Management FAQ course, Questions and Answers, Talent Management FAQ course, Payroll module FAQ course. This is also same Udemy. I think this is around 999 rupees, not more. I'll show you now in Udemy all these courses. You are going to get free of cost. You won't get anywhere. Outside people should buy it. Oracle Fusion Cloud FAQs. Yeah, Global HR. This is RTL Online Trainings, Chandra. So that you have to put. So you'll see that price 799, 1769. No, this is not mine. I can see that here. Okay. So that's how you are going to get benefited because of the course here it is. Including this. Now I'm coming to the hot topic, Redwood and artificial intelligence. Latest feature. Whatever the latest features we have in HCM that we are going to learn. Redwood pages is one of the latest one introduced by ARC. So what is Redwood? What exactly we do in Redwood is in old versions of Oracle Fusion applications, there was classic pages like web pages where we are having. Then later we got responsive pages. Then we got now Redwood UI, Redwood pages. Redwood pages are mandatory because if you want to implement artificial intelligence for your client going forward, then Redwood is mandatory. That's why we got Redwood. So we will be discussing development of Redwood pages is purely technical consultant. They go for write the JavaScript. They go for working on that. So our job is we should know how to develop the Redwood pages. That is the theory part we are going to learn. Then customization of the Redwood pages is our responsibility as well as technical team also. How to personalize the Redwood pages, how to customize the Redwood pages, we are also going to do that. And entire our training will happen in the Redwood pages only. Not only RTL everybody should follow, but RTL will go for explain more about the Redwood features which are available. That's what I can say, because every institute should use the same server from the Oracle. I'm not saying that we are something great, so everybody will use that. But what RTL will do is we go for more explore on the Redwood areas. How will you migrate the Redwood pages from development to testing, testing to production? How it will be done? What are the steps will follow? Okay, and then what are the areas we'll be implementing this? How it will be helpful for the clients, because you are going to give this particular Redwood demos to the customers. You are going to conduct the workshops. How we have to do that? So those are all things we are going to discuss. So that's what Redwood area, what we are going to discuss. When it comes to the artificial intelligence, everybody is talking about AI and how this AI is going to be helpful in the ERPs. Okay. So artificial intelligence will quickly analyze your business data and try to give the best answers. For example, I want to transfer one employee from one department to another department. What generally HR manager will do? He'll come to office. He will log into the software and he will search for the employee number 159. And then he will try to transfer from finance department to stock market department. And it will go for approvals. And manager will go for approve and submit. This is a transaction he will perform. It takes around 30 minutes. But I want to do it this through by using the AI agent. I'll just give the input as either voice or I will go for give the input. I'll give through voice saying that can you transfer employee 159 from finance to stocks department? Enough. It takes automatic. Either you can text or you can give the voice message. It will do it. That's what actually the artificial intelligence will happen in the ERP sector. Maybe in other sector, a lot of things will be there. Artificial intelligence, AI will do a lot of things in other technologies or other industries or sector. When it comes to the ERP software, when it comes to the ERP application, what is exactly AI will do here is whatever the jobs end user is performing and it's taking long time and too many navigations, that can be done by the AI through voice or through text. Let's say your client has implemented benefits module. Your client has implemented benefits module. What is mean by benefits module? It contains the complete employee benefits plans information. Let's say you join in TCS company as a fresher. Then company will say there are 100 policies, saving policy, pension policy, health policy, then employee benefits policy, variable pay, bonus pay, lot of policies are there. For every policy, there will be terms and conditions. Hundreds of pages will be there. So by finally, it's a thousands of pages, including terms and conditions and everything. As an employee, when I join in the company, it's very difficult for me to go through all the pages and understand and analyze and remember. For example, I enrolled for the health plan for my entire family. After some time, unfortunately, my parents got problem in the kidneys. I wanted to know whether this policy will cover the kidneys affection or not. Generally, if AI is not implemented, two things we have to do. One, we have to go to HR department and we have to tell them this is what my employee number, these are the plans I enrolled from the company, these are the benefits health plan I enrolled. Can you please check? This is what the problem I am facing with my parents. I wanted to know whether it's going to be applicable or not. Then HR people will cross check whether you enrolled or not. If it is enrolled, again they will open the document and read, and finally they'll tell you. The document may be contain 10 pages or 20 pages. Some of the major points immediately can tell, but in depth of that, some critical issues might be there, right? Definitely it takes time. But if A is there, just you will log in and you will give that input. This is my employee number 159. I wanted to know my parents got affected with kidneys. We wanted to go for operation. My plan is going to be eligible or not. Am I eligible for this plan or not? Within seconds, you will get an answer. Within seconds, no need to wait for minutes or hours. It will tell you, yes, your employee number is 159. You are already enrolled to this plan. In this plan, yes, kidney failure is there, but 2 years time duration is required, and this much of coverage is there, and these are the following hospitals we have these options. These are the pills, and this person you can communicate. This entire information, if you need from the HR department, you need 2 days time. This is what actually implementation can be done through artificial intelligence in ERP sector. Other sectors, I don't know. I don't have much idea. Many people are telling a lot of healthcare sector and other sectors and other, but I'm not sure. But this is what I'm experienced, and this is what actually the AI part in the ERP I can see. Okay, but this is very initial stage. Whatever the topic I explained just now, example, still it is not implemented by Oracle. Oracle has given just some demos with basic things. They are not into the in-depth of artificial intelligence so far. Down the line, next 3 to 5 years, definitely whatever the example I said, it's going to happen. It's going to happen. Okay. But similar type of examples they have given, and I did practically. I have developed the agents and I have given that demo, and that's what we are going to get the training in the artificial intelligence. So what we are going to learn about the AI is what is meant by artificial intelligence, what are the different ERP AI companies we have, different tools, and in Oracle point of view, how Oracle is doing this artificial intelligence, AI Studio, how you can develop the agents. And we are going to develop couple of agents, and then how it's going to be helpful for the clients. Because some of the agents are already Oracle developed. You don't need to worry about that. You can directly use it. But right now, whatever I said, that is not there. If client is interested on this, as a developer, you are supposed to do it. You are supposed to configure. Okay, so that's the AI development, agent development. Some agents, around 20 to 25 agents are given by Oracle in human capital management. We have to learn all these 20 to 25 agents wherever is there. Learn means just 10, 15 minutes is sufficient for learning because there is nothing development already done by Oracle. Then we have to learn. What is the use of learning the existing agent means? When you are conducting the workshop about this product to your customer, definitely customer will ask you, is Oracle is not provided any agents in this HCM? Yes, we have. Can you show me that how it works? Definitely, you have to provide one example. Without agent, how it looks like. With agent, how it looks like. The differentiation you have to show to the customer. Then you have to attract the customer and go for implement. That is a job of your functional consultant. That's why now in the companies, they are asking existing employees to upgrade to the AI and Redwood. New employees they are recruiting, they are asking, are you comfortable with Redwood and AI or not? If you say I'm not comfortable, then you are outdated. You are outdated. Simple. In every page, I may require an agent. You should be in a position to build or customize or explain at least existing agent. It means entire architecture, AI repository, AI architecture, AI development, migration process, everything you should have the idea. That's what we are going to learn in our training course. Yeah. It's clear everybody about the syllabus, what we are going to do. At a high level, I didn't explain in global HR what are the topics, payroll, what are the topics, compensation, what are the topics, OTL, ORC, benefits. In all the 8 modules, what are the different topics we are going to discuss? Means a detailed syllabus we have not discussed. Top level, we talked about different modules and other. Detailed syllabus copy we will go for tomorrow. And we will take tomorrow 10 to 15 minutes about detailed syllabus. After that, I will take one assignment directly. Directly, we will take one assignment and I'll show you how to understand that requirement, how to perform that requirement, how to test it, so that you will come to know whether this technology you are interested, whether this technology you can do it or not, that you will be clear. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow also I will do one more assignment. Next 2 days, next two demos, both are completely practical. Today, completely we talked about the syllabus, theory part. Complete demo, it was theory. But next 2 days, next tomorrow and day after tomorrow, same time, same meeting ID, completely on the practical oriented we are going to discuss. Yeah. So that's about the plan. So any doubts here, please?
So, do we have any technical elements involved in this, or this is only just front end?
Technical means?
So, for example, if I mean, HCM would be a manual thing. I mean, hiring an employee, recording all their job details, history, everything would be a manual work, right? So if we have more than 500 or 1,000 employees, so would it be like a manual work to be done, or like
We will be
technically?
loading. Yeah, we will be
Yeah,
discussing that here. This
the
is,
technical part is also involved in this, right?
yes, yes. Technically, we'll
Sir,
be discussing reporting, data loading, data extraction. Yes,
excuse me, sir.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
sir, thank you.
Sir, in this course, first formulas also explaining.
Couple of fast formulas I will be explaining, not in depth, but you will be getting fast formulas through Udemy next level, which is paid version, which is not
But
included in the free.
In Udemy, I didn't find your class, sir. First
Next
formula
month it
about
will be published.
next month.
Yes, yes.
Sir, OAC also required to get a job on HCM.
That is technical. If you are going with technical integrations, that is a different.
Mm.
This is functional course, right? Mainly here it is
Mm.
functional, which is zero coding, non-coding
Now
course.
we are this HDL is one of our technical partner. In OAC, same functionality there. HDL concept is there. Is OAC required or not?
If you are going to apply as a technical consultant, it is required.
Okay.
Yes, there are two jobs, functional job and technical job. If you are a
Hmm.
HCM functional, then they will expect you are strong in the functional area and also having some knowledge on the technical side. If you are applying as a technical, you are a master in technical and also having some basic idea on the functional. That's what they will expect.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah,
Hi, sir.
Sir,
go ahead.
sir,
Yeah.
are you providing the placement assessment also?
Yes, yes. Last class we'll be discussing. Third demo, I will explain the process.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you,
please
sir.
go ahead. Yes.
Yeah, hi, sir. Even how the technical can cover, sir, in this course, even like
I said technically we'll be discussing example, one example for BI report, one example for OTBA dashboard like that.
okay, is there any module wise even, sir? Actually, I'm a technical consultant.
Module wise, we don't require actually because if you learn BI reports, that is common for any module. Only
Yeah,
thing we have
because like which tables are involving in
if you
comparison.
learn one module, I'll tell you that how to find the table names. So you can easily go through the documentation and start working.
Okay,
Yeah. Once we learn how to find the table names, you can easily find the remaining modules tables also.
okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, for practice purpose, are you providing any instance?
Yes, yes. We provide the cloud server instance, which is 8 months. 8 months
8
server
months.
instance. This course is going to be 2 months. Daily
Okay.
1 hour 15 minutes. 1 hour 15
Okay.
minutes we are going to have the class.
Is there any recording, sir? Even
Recording
Yes.
session?
All the classes will be recorded and we will provide you through the Google Drive so that you can directly download and keep it with you always.
okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Will you provide any material temperature?
Some of the topics will have separate material and Oracle has got excellent material.
Yeah, Oracle got documentation very clearly, but it's too lengthy documents to go through everything.
But
So
now
maybe
what happened, see, every quarter there are new features are coming. So we have to adapt the Oracle documents with the latest release. So we some of the topic wise when we are discussing, we will have the shortcut for the document and we will be discussing. But my suggestion is as a functional consultant especially, we should have good patience to go through this documentation because in the cloud, every quarter there will be a new features are coming up, existing features are obsolete. So we have to be up to date. So I suggest to go for the Oracle documentation. Whatever the syllabus, for example, if we talk about global HR, there are 1000 pages in the PDF document. No need to go through all 1000 pages. In our training, global HR, whatever the topics we have discussed practically, only that topics you can go through in the PDF document out of 1000 pages. No need to go through remaining topics because those all are the additional topics which are not regular, means regular usage. That's what I can say.
okay, got it. And you said it's a 2 months course duration. Uh, is it possible to cover all these topics in 2 months?
Yeah, this is all live, right? Remaining all are it's already preloaded. This all things are already loaded. You will once the course is completed, last day, I'll give the permission to all these courses. Straight
Okay.
away, you can go for
This
free
is not a live,
enrollment.
this recording.
This is live. Yes, this is live. So other institutions also provide the same. This is live. The advantage with RTL is you are going to have this advanced full stack in your pocket. Whenever you are interested, you can go for learn and become master.
And the days is Monday to Friday or Monday
Monday
to
to Friday only. Yes, Monday
Sorry.
to Friday. Yeah.
One last question. In regards to certifications, will you provide any students, maybe something like that?
Yeah, no problem. But once we complete this training, you can easily clear the certifications. Many of our students cleared themselves. No problem. We will cover the complete syllabus, which will be used to clear it.
Thank you.
Hi Chandra, do you also provide fast formula training?
We have 1 to 2 sessions about the fast formula, not in depth of the fast formulas. We'll be
Yeah,
just executing 1 or 2 fast formulas.
for which
Next one,
module?
in absence management, we'll be discussing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why? Because I started working in cloud 2 years back as a functional consultant. One challenge I face is fast formula. You have to be good in fast formulas to work as a functional consultant.
That is, we are going to post it in through this, what do you mean, next month? That was going to be,
You mean that you will be posting a separate course for fast formula?
separate course. It will be around 20 to 25 hours.
Oh, okay. That's really cool. Will that include fast formulas of all the modules of HCM?
But not yet decided at this point of time.
Oh, okay. Yes, Chandra, thanks.
And Chandra, one more thing, even Redwood and AI, how many sessions planning to give in
Around
this?
4 sessions. Redwood, of course, we will be starting right from the first module.
Okay.
Wherever the Redwood comes, I will be explaining. And AI, as I said, around 12 agents regularly we are using. I will be explaining all the 12 agents so
Yeah.
that those agents are already provided by Oracle, the purpose of that agent, advantage and all. Then we will be developing 1 or 2 agents and we are going to deploy and we are going to see that. It takes around 3 to 4 sessions.
Okay. Is it a 25C, right?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
latest version.
Because I got a one POC. I'm working on that RTL agents even. Okay, maybe it's more helpful to me.
Yeah, that's you can try to do that. We will be talking completely on the agent studio. So based on that, you can go for explain to them how it will work. Yeah.
And what we will be discussing in tomorrow's demo session, Chandra?
Tomorrow we'll have the first 15 minutes detailed syllabus copy of our training part. Right now we have discussed module wise, right? 8 modules and all. So tomorrow we'll discuss detailed what are the different topics we'll discuss in the module wise, and then we'll take an assignment, how to perform this assignment and testing, so that people will be clear what exactly work we have to do in the projects, and whether we'll be able to do it or not, whether we are suitable to learn this course or not. That's what we will be discussing.
Okay.
Fine, guys. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Let's see you tomorrow, same time, same meeting ID, and you will find this session details in another 1 hour in my channel, YouTube channel. If someone is not subscribed, I request everyone, please subscribe to channel to get the latest updates about this. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Let's see you
Thank
tomorrow.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Chandra. Thank you.
Thanks, Chandra.
Yeah.
Thank you.